We are driving this Alcobar Highway. We're going to the tunnel. Okay.
I'm going to Dubai now.
We are going to Dubai.
Dubai.
Okay, this Singapore. May hands up. This my boss. Okay. Okay. This the mall. We're having a mall.
This is the Dubai Mall.
Dubai Mall. We're Dubai in the Dubai Mall. Dubai Alcobar Mall. Okay. Maybe police will cut us. Be taking video. Okay. 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 This is Abdul Ghaffur. But Abdul Ghaffur, when I go America, my name Paulo. Paulo. You call me Paulo, huh? America, my name Paulo. But Saudi, Abdul Ghaffur. This Ramsan. Okay? When you go America, his name Richard. Richard, huh? Richard Ramsan Bay. This is my Sadiq. Okay? Ramsan, it's been, we did not eat pakolta. 2 weeks. 1 month. Okay?
I'm doing 1 month.
Okay, we eat pakolta, huh? Okay. Ni handsome, no? Ni handsome, Abdul Ghaffur, Paulo or Richard? I will call you Richard, huh? Richard America, Paulo America. Okay. This is our car. So much traffic here. We're going to...
One more photo.
No, this no.
Video.
Uh,
1 minute, huh?
No, don't play. Ayan, no. This guy, sometimes playing. This my boss playing, huh? Okay. Okay. Yan daw, no, ano. Minsan pa, wari meron sabay. Okay. We're traveling to Dubai. This is Dubai. This is Dubai duty free. Dubai duty free.
Duty free hospital.
Duty free hospital, okay? Okay. This car, see?